Hey YouTube, what if you could captivate, inspire, and persuade anyone just like some of the most powerful speakers in history? In Donald Trump's inauguration speech, he used persuasion techniques, and today I'm breaking them down for you one by one in the exact order they appear. No matter what your goals are, if it's leading a team, closing sales, or delivering impactful speeches, these strategies will transform how you communicate. So let's get started. Trump's speeches are packed with persuasive tools. So whether you agree with him or not, his ability to move an audience is undeniable. So this breakdown isn't about politics, it's about mastering the art of influence. Appeal to their identity, and he does this beautifully, talking about the golden age. Watch this.
The golden age of America begins right now.
See, Trump starts with a bold statement. The golden age of America begins right now. This appeals to the audience's pride as Americans, aligning their identity with his vision. Invoke emotions. Check out how he does this.
Sunlight is pouring over the entire world.
You see, he uses vivid emotional imagery like sunlight is pouring over the entire world to evoke hope and optimism, energizing his audience. Use their hierarchy of values. Watch how he does this with moving purpose. It's amazing. Check this out.
We will move with purpose and speed to bring back hope, prosperity, safety, and peace.
See, Trump ties his vision to deeply held values like safety, prosperity, and freedom. This ensures his message resonates with the audience's priority. Motivate your listener. Check out how he does this.
A tide of change is sweeping the country.
You see, he inspires action by emphasizing the momentum of change. Statements like, the tide of change is sweeping the country. It makes people feel part of something historic. Show them the consequences. Check out how he does this, talking about the radical and corrupt.
For many years, a radical and corrupt establishment has extracted power and wealth from our citizens.
You see, by highlighting past failures, Trump shows the cost of inaction and makes his solutions feel necessary and urgent. Reframe possible objections. Watch how he does this, talking about the election.
My recent election is a mandate to completely and totally reverse a horrible betrayal.
You see, Trump turns criticism of his leadership into evidence that policies align with the people's will. Genius. Add presuppositions. Watch how he does this, talking about America will soon be greater.
America will soon be greater, stronger, and far more exceptional than ever before.
See, Trump assumes agreement with his goals, making them feel like inevitable outcomes. Tell stories. Stories are everything. Watch how he does this.
Just a few months ago in a beautiful Pennsylvania field, an assassin's bullet ripped through my ear.
See, Trump shares personal anecdotes to humanize himself, and he emphasizes his resilience, building emotional connection with his audience. Compliment and flatter. Watch how he does this with the Black and Hispanic communities.
To the Black and Hispanic communities, I want to thank you for the tremendous outpouring of love and trust.
By directly thanking specific groups, Trump makes his audience feel appreciated and integral to his success. Use quotes. Watch how he does this, talking about Martin Luther King Day.
Today is Martin Luther King Day, and in his honor, we will strive together to make his dream a reality.
See, quoting Martin Luther King Jr. connects Trump's vision to a respected historical figure, borrowing credibility to reinforce his message. He basically rode the coattails of MLK. Employ metaphors. Watch how he does this, talking about liquid gold.
It is that liquid gold under our feet that will help to do it.
Genius. See, using metaphors like liquid gold for oil simplifies complex issues and makes them more relatable and memorable. Show no gray area. Watch how he does this. Completely removes all ambiguity. Check this out.
From this moment on, America's decline is over.
See, Trump frames his leadership as the only viable path forward, presenting a stark contrast between success and failure. Belong to a special group. Who doesn't want to be a part of a special group? And watch how Trump makes us all feel special.
We are one people, one family, and one glorious nation under God.
You see, statements like this create unity, making the audience feel part of an exclusive, patriotic group. Great job on this. overcome inertia. Watch how he does this about taking massive action with his executive orders.
Today, I will sign a series of historic executive orders.
You see, creating a sense of urgency with immediate action inspires confidence and prevents hesitation, intention, and temptation. Check out how he does this with our liberties and talking about the glorious destiny will no longer be denied. Check out what he says. It's awesome.
Our liberties and our nation's glorious destiny will no longer be denied.
You see, Trump contrasts struggles of the past with the bright future he promises, tempting the audience to believe in his vision. The myth-reality frame. Watch out how he separates the two right now. Check this out.
We have something that no other manufacturing nation will ever have, the largest amount of oil and gas of any country on earth.
See, dispelling myths strengthens credibility and positions Trump's agenda as rooted in truth, pacing past pleasures. Watch how he talks about our ancestors of America. Pretty crazy. Check this out.
Our American ancestors turned a small group of colonies into a mighty republic.
You see how he evokes nostalgia for America's historic achievements to inspire pride and motivation for future success. All right, if you are enjoying this video, then check out our free selling style quiz in the notes below. You'll discover if you're a leader, protector, or a servant in your communication style. And after I analyzed Trump and put it through my ChatGPT system, I figured out one thing. He is a protector, which is his selling style. So the question is, what is yours? All right, use curiosity, secrets, and forbidden knowledge. Watch how he does this, talking about the radical and corrupt establishment.
For many years, a radical and corrupt establishment has extracted power and wealth from our citizens.
You see how Trump hints at hidden truths, creating intrigue and desire to learn more? Yeah, we're all hooked. Make them feel appreciated. Who doesn't want to feel appreciated? Watch how he does that right now by rebuilding the nation.
We will rebuild the nation that we love, and we love it so much.
You see, expressing gratitude makes the audience feel recognized and valued. Absolute time. Watch how he does this, talking about January 20th as Liberation Day.
January 20th, 2025 is Liberation Day.
You see, attaching actions to specific dates creates urgency and reinforces accountability. Squeeze the competition using fallacies. Watch how he does this, talking about the Green New Deal.
We will end the Green New Deal.
You see, criticizing alternative policies makes his solutions appear stronger and more appealing. Dare them. And I would actually have to say that I think he double dog dares us. Check this out.
Many people thought it was impossible for me to stage such a historic political comeback.
You see, by challenging the audience to believe in the impossible, Trump reinforces his resilience and inspires confidence, ridicule, doubt, and suspicion. Watch how he does this, talking about the radical and corrupt establishment.
The radical and corrupt establishment.
You see, he casts doubt on opponents, positioning himself as the trustworthy alternative. Make them feel guilty. Watch how he does this, talking about the public health system.
We have a public health system that does not deliver in times of disaster.
You see, invoking guilt justifies immediate change and builds support for his solution. Elevation. This is a advanced NLP technique that only a few of us know, but here, I'll share, let's watch how Trump does it.
I was saved by God to make America great again.
You see that? Trump elevates his role to a divine mission, inspiring loyalty and faith. Highlight personal sacrifice. Watch how he does this.
I have been tested and challenged more than any president in our 250-year history.
You see, by sharing his struggles, Trump builds credibility and emotional connection. Change their life. Watch how he talks about how we're going to build something together.
We will be a nation like no other, full of compassion, courage, and exceptionalism.
You see that? Trump promises transformation, appealing to the audience's hopes and their dreams. Create unity through nostalgia. Listen to how he does this, talking about how he established this great country.
Americans push thousands of miles through a rugged land of untamed wilderness.
You see, celebrating shared history fosters unity and pride. Make it a shared mission. Watch how he does this using the word together.
Together we will end the chronic disease epidemic and keep our children safe.
See, he frames success as a joint effort, emphasizing the role of his audience. Close with unshakable confidence. Listen to how the president closes.
The future is ours, and our golden age has just begun.
See, ending with bold confidence leaves a lasting impression and inspires action. All right, these techniques demonstrate the power of structure, emotion, and connection. Use them in your speeches, your sales, your leadership, and watch your influence grow. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like, subscribe, and share with someone who wants to master persuasion, wants to master neuro-linguistic programming. I want to know right now, which technique will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. This is Jason Forrest. Push yourself to become a better version of you.